MCV for U1, Chapter 5, Session 2. In this session, we are working on questions from page 224 and 225 from the textbook. Question 1, evaluate each of the following. 32 to the power of 2 over 5. 32 is 2 to the power of 5. 2 to the power of 5 to the power of 2 over 5 is 2 to the power of 2. We multiply the exponents. That is 4. 27 to the power of negative 2/3. 27 is 3 to the power of 3 to the power of negative 2 over 3 is 3 to the power of negative 2 when we multiply the exponents, and 3 to the power of negative 2 is 1 over 9. Question 2, express each of the following in logarithmic form. 10 to the power of w equals 450. W is log of 450 base 10. Part F, a to the power of b is t. This means the exponent b is log of t base a. Question number 3, sketch the graph of each function and states the x-intercept. The first one is log of x base 2. The graph of log of x base 2 is similar to the graph of log of x when we shifted 2 units to the left. When x is -1, we have x-intercepts and the graph is increasing and concave down. The next one is 5 to the power of x plus 3, same as 5 to the power of x, shift 3 units to the left. There is no x-intercepts and the y-intercept is 125, increasing and concave up. No x-intercept. Question number 7, tan of theta is given. When theta is in 4th quadrant, tan of theta is -2, angle theta, and the related acute angle, and we are looking for sine and cosine. Because it is in 4th quadrant, cosine of theta is positive and sine of theta is negative. The hypotenuse of the triangle is √5. Therefore, cosine of theta is positive 1 over √5 and sine of theta is -2 over √5. Question number 8, state the period and amplitude of each function. Part D, y equals 2 over 7 cosine of 12x. Amplitude is 2 over 7 and period is 2 pi over 12, which is pi over 6. Part F, y equals absolute value of 3 sine of x. If you look at the graph of absolute value of 3 sine of x, we see the period of the function is half of the period of sine of x. The period is pi. And the amplitude of the function is 3. Last question, question number 10. Prove the following identities. Tan of x plus cotangent of x equals secant of x times cosecant of x. Tan of x is sine of x over cosine of x. Cotangent of x is cosine of x over sine of x. If we take common denominator would be sine of x times cosine of x. And the numerator would be sine squared plus cosine squared, which is 1 over sine of x cosine of x, and that is secant of x times cosecant of x. Part B, sine of x divided by 1 minus sine squared of x equals tangent of x times secant of x. We know 1 minus sine squared is cosine squared. Therefore, the left side of the given identity would be sine of x over cosine to the power of 2x, which is sine of x over cosine of x times 1 over cosine of x. That is tan of x times secant of x. Thanks for watching.